How do we divide integers?
To divide integers having like signs, divide the numbers and prefix the positive sign.
Divide natin 32 divided by 8. So we have 4. Ano ang ating sign? Sabi ng rule natin, kapag pareho ang kanilang sign, we will prefix the positive sign. Positive 4 ang ating answer. Negative 48 divided by negative 6. So i-divide natin, 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Pareho silang may negative sign. So, like signs, sabi ng ating rule, pagka like sign, we will prefix positive sign. Negative man yan o positive, pagka pareho ang kalang sign, ang sign ng ating result is positive.
Rule number 2. To divide integers having an unlike signs, divide the numbers and prefix the negative sign.
Another example, negative 42 divided by 7. So, divide natin 42 divided by 7 equals 6. Dahil hindi magkapareho ang kanilang sign, sabi man ng rule, pagka hindi pareho ang kanilang sign, we will prefix the negative sign. So, tandaan natin, pagka hindi pareho ang sign ng ating two numbers, so ang ating sign sa ating product ay negative.